Okay, welcome to our today's class. We are going to look at an orthographic drawing. But before we start, I want to tell you, if this is your first class, kindly subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share with your fellow trainers, and those who feel like orthographic is part and parcel of their life. So now, we want to look at this orthographic question. As I had said earlier on, we have first angle drawings and third angle drawings. So today's question is on first angle, and it reads, Figure 1 shows an object. Draw full size in first angle projection the following views. Front elevation in the direction of arrow F, and this is our arrow F. We have end elevation in the direction of arrow E. This is our arrow E. And the plan, which is obviously from the top, so I'll indicate there as our plan. So when we see the front view, as I had said earlier, what we see is the length and the perpendicular height. So we have this length here, the whole of this length, and the perpendicular height. So we want to draw the front elevation. Here we go. So when we will be seeing the front elevation, this is the length here and the height. So we will be seeing this face here. We will also be seeing this face there, because this is the length and this is the length and this is the perpendicular height. Then also we will be seeing the length and the perpendicular height there. So we will also be seeing this face. So we will be seeing two faces, this face, and this face. So what is the dimension of the whole of this face? This length of ours is this one plus this one plus this one, which is the same as this 30 plus the whole of this. So this is 30 plus 10 plus 40 plus 10. So we are going to start with that. So I'll first of all draw it. I'll just first of all draw a straight line like that into H. Then I drop another line down. That is it. So that is where we started from. So now, when we see the length, what do we see? We see a length of 30, plus 10 is 40, plus 40 that is 80, then plus 10, that is 90. So we'll draw a line of 90 millimeters. So 9 centimeters like that. Then you bring it on the paper. That is it. Good. So this lower line here will be visible. So I draw a line that is visible like that, because it's the outline. Then it goes up with a distance of 13. So this is 13. So I'll measure 13. Then I'll make an arc up there. Then I'll draw it. That is the 13. Then after that 13, I'll see this distance from here to here. Yeah. So the whole of that distance, we'll draw it. Yeah. So you can even start with this one, the 30. So here there is a line that goes inside. You can just take it from there. You can just draw a line like that and measure the distance of 30. So that is my 30. I make an arc there. Then reaching there, it's a line that is visible. So I just make it visible. Then I'll go upwards from here. I'll go up by 28. So from here to here is 28. So I'll go up by 28. So I make a line that is not visible like that. Then I measure 28. That is it. Sorry. On reaching there, we have a straight line from here to this end. So we want to draw that one. So I just draw a straight line like that. So I'll measure, this is 10 plus 40 plus 10. So that is 60. So measure 60, come with it here, and then I make an arc there. So that is it. That is it. So we have two distance of 10 from this side to this side, another distance of 10 from this side to this side. So we will measure the 10s. So I'll stand here, make an arc at 10, stand here, make an arc of 10. So now this line up here, it is visible. So it is this line plus this line, so they are visible. So the line is visible from the end to end. So from this end to the other end, that line is visible like that. And after drawing that, we have this line that is straight. So we have drawn this last one. This is the last at this point. So we want to draw this line here. So we will draw it from up to down. From up there, it will be visible. So I will draw it in HB like that. Then downwards for construction works, I just take a straight line like that. So all vertical lines are supposed to be taken down there, because we are going to draw our plan down here. So that's why I'm taking them up. All horizontal lines are taken to the other side, because we are going to draw our end elevation on this side. So now after doing that, we have also this line that is visible from this side to this side, which is 28. So we are not going to measure because we have already drawn. So we will just draw it until it touches that point like that. Then on reaching there, it is going to go down. Yeah, it is going to go down. Sorry for that. I want to take this one inwards first, so we don't have this line. So after moving that, I want to draw this one here. This is it. So we'll do away with this line. So that is the front elevation. So now we want to draw our plan. So we will jump a distance of 30 for us to draw our plan. We will jump a distance of 30. So this is the distance of 30. So we will jump it from there to that point there. Then we draw a straight line. It is this line. We are seeing the plan, so we are going to see the whole length and the width. So we have the length. If I illustrate here with a cuboid like that, so we have a length, we have a height, then we have a width. So now when we see a plan, we are going to see this one, which is a width, and this one, which is a length from the top. So when we see from the top, we'll see the length and the width. How will it be? We are going to see this whole dimension from this end to this end, and this other dimension coming downwards. So this upper part is a straight line that is all visible. So this is a length, this is a length. So it is full. So we just draw a full line from that end there, this end like that. Then the width of this is from here to here, which is a total of 47. So we will measure a 47 on that end. So this is my 47. I come with it here, I make an arc there, then I draw that 47. I will draw that 47 like that. Good. Then it comes in by 10, and we have already measured our 10. So what we are going to do is just draw that line. So that is a 10. Then it goes upwards from here to here by 33. This is the dimension that is given from here to here is 33. So I'll measure at 33. So that is my 33. I come here and make an arc there. Then I draw a visible line there. So this is it. There I draw a visible line like that. Good. So from there again, we have a straight line that comes from here to this edge here, this given line that is on this side. So where is that line? That line is this one. So let us bring it down. I want us to bring it down like that. From here, the construction line. Then this line will come from this end here and meet this line at this point. So here we go. That is it. Then after that also we have got this line here that is straight. So we will draw it. It's a straight line. Don't forget that we are drawing the plan. So that is it from there. Then now this line is visible. Then now we want to measure now from this side also. We want to draw whatever we are seeing here, because this is what we see when we see the plan. That is what we see. So we are done with this L. Now we want to draw whatever is on this face. So now inwards by 14, it comes inside by 14. So I will measure the 14 like that. Come here and measure, put it on that paper like that. Then I draw it. I draw it like that. After that, it goes. We have a recess here of a distance 10. So we have this recess of 10. This is the dimension that is given there. So it will come inwards by 10. So I make a construction like that and measure 10. That is it. So I stand here, I measure 10 like that, then draw that line like that. Then it comes downwards by 19. The distance is given here, so it's 19. So from that end there, I draw a line like that and measure 19. That is it. So I come here, I put my 19 there. Then I put that line to be visible. And of course, it comes outwards. So it will come outwards like that. Then it goes down to the end. So that end we are not going to measure. We just come on this last line here. We make a straight line like that. Then come on this part here. We make that line like that. So that is it. Then after that, we have this line from here to here. So it is from here to here. So what we are going to do, we are not going to do a lot of measurements. We just take that line from there and draw a construction line like that. So that line will guide us. So this line comes from here to here. Good. That way. Then after that, so we are from here to here. Then it comes from here until it touches this line up here. So lastly, for this plan of ours, we just come from here, we draw a straight line from there. And that's all about the plan. So we are seeing this figure here. So that is what we have seen. This is what we have on paper. Again, we have this L. This is the L for the plan. Wow, that's all about the plan. I'm sure we are not done with the front view, and I say that this line will be removed because it's not there on the drawing. So lastly, I want to do the end elevation. So how do we do the end elevation? Using your set square over 45, we are going to take these horizontal lines to this other side at an angle of 45. But before I do that, I want to take all these lines that are horizontal to this edge of the last line here. So I'll take all of them like that. Then from that end, we are going to draw them with an angle of 45 until they reach the first line from the front elevation. So just place them there, then I take them upwards like that. I come to this one, I bring it up there. I come to this one here, I bring it up. I come to this one, I bring it up. So now let us draw the end elevation. The end elevation will start from here and end at this given point here. So we are reviewing our end elevation from this side. So what will we see? We will see the perpendicular height and the width. So with the end we will see the perpendicular height and the width. So what will we be seeing? We will be seeing this face here. We will be seeing this face here, which has the length and the width. And we will also be seeing this face on this other side. So here we will see this complete line from here to here, and we are not going to measure because we already have construction line. So it will come from here to the topmost part. We already have the construction line, so we just place it like that. So that is the height. Then the width, we will be seeing the whole width. This is the whole width, so we'll be seeing all of it. So where is it coming from? It's coming from here to here. So we will be seeing the whole of it. Because it is this plus this plus this. So it's from here to here. Then when we go upwards, we will be seeing this line and this line. So that will tell us that we are seeing the whole height. So we'll just draw the whole height here. Just draw the whole height there. Like that. Then after that, we have a recess here. This recess that is here, we will be seeing this line and this line. And where are they? They are here. So this is the line we took from here to here. So it's coming from here to here. And we have this other one that matches from that, from here to here. So it's that easier. So just draw it from there to there. And also we have this one here, like that. Then the next one is this line and this line and this line. So they make a complete line. So it's this 14 plus 19 plus the remaining one. So it gives us 47. So it's the whole length. So we are just drawing the whole length like that. Then after that, we also have so we have drawn this part here. These are 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. These 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. So we want to draw this part here. Yeah. So this part here, the sides are also from here because they do share. So it is going to go straight upwards from here. It comes straight from here. It comes straight upwards like that. Then now we want to see the top part. It is this length here plus this length. So we'll be seeing the whole of it when we see the end view. So the whole width up there is seen. So we will draw the whole width like that. Wow. So that is the end elevation. So we have the front elevation, we have the plan, and we have the end elevation. So the last part of the equation has to insert 6 major dimensions. So we have got rules of dimensioning. So in dimensioning we do L dimensions. By L I mean that we do a dimension on this side and this side. We don't do a dimension on top here and here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this drawing, 6. So that's why all papers tell you to give 6 major dimensions. So we balance them. So I want to make the dimensions. So the major dimensions is the length, width, and the height. So already we have 3 dimensions. Then we look for the remaining 3. So I want to give this dimension here. I just jumped a distance of 1. This is a distance of 1. Then I make an arrowhead there, like that. And what is the total dimension of that drawing? It is 30 plus 10, which is 40, plus 40, 80 plus 10, which is 90. So this dimension here is 90. So we do it at the center of the dimension line and on top of the dimension line. Then we have here the perpendicular height. So we make those lines like that. They are our guides. Then we make a line like that. Then we dimension. We put an arrowhead. So this is the best arrowhead. Then the perpendicular height there is 13 plus 28, which is 41. So we dimension here 41, like that. Good. So we are already done with that. So again, we come down here. Because we have a 90 here, we are not going to repeat a dimension of 90 down here. So we look for an important dimension there that we can use. We can even take the dimension from here to here. Yeah? The dimension from here to here is 30 plus 10, which is 40. So we will look here a dimension of 40 without repeating the dimensions. So this dimension here is important. And at the center, we make a 40. Then we have the width also. So we have this width. Dimension it. Our width is 47. It's given here. That's our 47. So this is our 47. So we are done with dimensioning the plan. Now let us dimension this end elevation. So already we have a 41 here. So we are not going to repeat. So we can come to this small one. The dimension from here to here. We don't want a big dimension. So let us just dimension this one because we have already dimensioned the 41. So the end elevation, we want to just dimension this one, which is a 13. So we just dimension a 13. It's a major dimension. So this length of 47 is the same as this length here. It's also 47. So we are not going to repeat a 47 on this side. So we will just take either of these. So I want to just take the dimension of the recess. So I'll just take the dimension of the recess that is given there. So I'll come here and dimension this recess. What is the dimension? This recess here, that's a dimension of 19. So I'll just dimension here 19. That is it. So remember to remove this line here. Remember to remove this line there. So wow, I thank you for watching. Continue following for more and more orthographic questions. In the next class, I'm sure we are going to work on a very tough question, and I know we are going to be at one. I thank you and kindly subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.